Here is our ending sound, ANK. ANK. Let's put this B in front of it and tap and stretch. Bank. Bank. Say it fast. Bank. My mom went to the bank today. All right, let's tap and stretch our new word. Sank. Tap and stretch. Sank. Say it fast. Sank. You sank my battleship. Tap and stretch the new word. Tank. Tap and stretch. Tank. Say it fast. Tank. Oh, I have a new toy tank that I play with. All right, this is our digraph, TH. Oops, there it is. Okay, this is our digraph, TH, and it has one sound. Okay, let's blend it. Thank. Tap and stretch again. Thank. Say it fast. Thank. Thank you for my birthday present. Okay, let's tap and stretch this blend. Blank. Tap and stretch again. Blank. Say it fast. Blank. They left a blank on the worksheet where I'm supposed to fill it out. Let's tap and stretch this new blend in. Drank. Tap and stretch. Drank. Say it fast. Drank. She drank all of her smoothie. Let's tap and stretch this new blend. Stank. Tap and stretch again. Stank. Say it fast. Stank. Ooh, my dad's shoes stank up the whole house. We have a 3-letter blend here. You ready? We have a digraph with a consonant here to blend. Are you ready? Shrank. Tap and stretch. Shrink. Say it fast. Shrank. Yeah. My toys shrink in the dryer. Good job. This is our ending. ANK.